Welcome to Hivika Technologies. For more updates, please like and do subscribe.
Welcome back. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a simple DLL using Visual Studio and also how to use that particular DLL in A2019. The reason behind this video to make was few of the viewers has asked, can you make a video on how to use DLLs in Automation Anywhere A2019. So let's move on. Let me show you quickly what I'm going to do is. The DLL which what I'm going to do is I am going to plug two variables. One is the format and another one is the date. So whatever the date I plug to the DLL, that takes the date and it also takes the format whichever the output I want. For example, I'm just passing some X format of date to the you know DLL, and then I'm taking some whatever the expected format I'm looking for. So maybe this will be useful for maybe in your real-time cases also. So here this is my namespace and this is my public class and this is my method. So I'm just passing two variables here. One is a format, it's a string, and another one is a date, also a string. And I have created one more variable that is a dt, which is date time. So I'm assigning this particular date into this particular dt, and I'm converting it to a date format because since it is a string, I'm just converting it to the date format. And the results, what I'm doing is I'm just taking results is the variable, another variable, and I'm just formatting it to the respective format whatever the way I want, and returning to a another variable or returning to the main automation anywhere from here. This is my Visual Studio and this is my code. This is a very simple one. Whatever the date you plug to the metabot, or I can say DLL, and whatever the format you plug, it gives the response back with the respective format. Okay, so let me build, let me clean this and wait for a second. It takes a while. I'm just building. So let me go to the solution location and find the DLL file. So if you can go inside here, you can see something named called DLL. Can you see somewhere? Yeah, this is the DLL file. Okay, so now I'm going to use this DLL file to build my I can say bot in year 2019. So in automation 11.x version, we used to build meta bots, right? Using DLLs, we can build whatever the logics we want using metabots. Either it will be screen captures or DLL files, right? So here in A2019, we can directly use a DLL command to build our things. So let me create a new task or a bot. So here I can say date format change DLL. Okay. So here I'm just initially I'm creating two variables. One is for format. I can say use as input. So which means every time when the bot runs, it asks me to provide some input value for that. And date again. This is also I can mark it as use as input. Okay. So now if you can go to actions, you can see uh, DLL command. Under that there will be, this is very latest one, A2019.16. So that is why you can see there is one more thing called run function legacy. So basically in the previous versions you can see only three options. One is close, open, and run function, whereas in A2019.16, this is the latest one, you will get the another one also. Let's open that particular session. Let's, so the session name will be the whatever you want, you can keep it, and you can browse the file. Just take it from here. So I think that will be in my desktop. Yep. So upload and confirm. Okay. So I have uploaded the DLL, and now I need to run the function. So here you need to enter the namespace. If you can see here, right, let me just open side by side. So this is my namespace. Okay. So here is the namespace, and here is the class. You can see here, this is the class, and the other one is the method or function. I can call this here. I can add the parameters here. So there are two parameters. One is this. Let me add this here. So parameter name is this, and its type is string. And here I can pass the variable. The variable will be dollar. Let me see if I can. I'm not able to get that variable here. Okay, let me directly pause. Let's say format, right? Let me. I'm just taking some different. Okay, let's take this format or this format. If you can go here, you can plug that format here, add, and again the other one will be underscore date. So this one is also string, and let us say 10/22/2020. Okay, so then I will store this output to this variable. Okay, and then let's use the close the function. Let's see what is the value we will going to get. Okay, I can just call the variable. Save it. So we have given everything now. So let me run it. So here you can see the date format came as for this one. So if you can see, this is the one which I given, right? So that is the reason it came as the same format. Okay. Uh, Let me try with some different format. Let's try this one. This is the same. Let's try what are we going to get. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, I'm just clicking OK. I'm just going back here. So I don't want those variables. So if you can see here in the actual input which I've mentioned, there is no time mentioned, right? So that's what it came as 00. Let me try with some different format. Okay, let's try this. Let me run this. I don't want these two variables. I'm just deleting them. So we can see now that entire thing has been changed as per the format which I given. So this DLL, what it's going to do is it takes a input, a date, as well as a format, whatever the format you want, and it will convert it to the format which you are expecting, and it will show it. And you can use it anywhere required in your code. I hope this video helps you to explore on DLLs and how to use the DLLs in A2019. So if you like the video, click on thumbs up and subscribe the channel so that whenever I upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
I hope this video helps you. To get more updates, please like and subscribe the channel.
Please leave your comments and questions in the comments section. We'll get back to you.